didn't observe anything? Huh? You didn't observe anything. Posted something.
Number of state is more and more.
No, number of states are more and more. That's all now. But whereas 2-bit overlap means only the thing is terminations are getting different when compared to single bit overlap, isn't it? Like the resetting states, like which way to proceed. See, once when you are designing a machine, your number of states initially are fixed, isn't it? Initially they are fixed, isn't it? Are you increasing the states again and again? No, no. If it is a Mealy, you are fixing it. If it is Murray, you are fixing it. So why exactly you require more? Huh? I don't think so. Isn't it? Yes or no? Okay, whatever you wish. Now, so I'll try to explain one more thing. By any chance, okay, you are available or not? I can't hear any responses. Okay, did you understand at least 1 or 2 answers? Like, did you understand the earlier versions? No. Or is it yes? Right. So forget it. If at all you want to design, or if you want to identify more than one sequence at a time, is it possible? Like, for example, I want to detect both. Like, both I want to detect. Is it possible? Either Mealy or Murray, whatever it is. See, 0, 0, 0, 1. I want and 0, 0, 1, 0. Both I want to detect at a time using the same state machine. Is it possible or not? Yes, wake up please. At least wake up Hassan. People who are there, Sahil, they will at least respond. What happened? That also is not responding. Abhijit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 2 sequences at a time detection. Is it possible? Like, see, at least 2 or 3 questions you have done. In that particular scenario, did you observe other than a single sequence, can we detect 2 sequences at a time? Is there any chance? Is that thought occurred to you?
Yes, ma'am. Maybe.
Yes, 2 sequences at a time, provided if there is some matching. Just see, I have taken an example. Right, in this example, if at all I can see here, I have 2 sequences. First one is this one, second one is this sequence. Right, so I can find some matching at least at till half level, isn't it? It is also starting with 0, 0, it is also starting with 0, 0. So don't you think we can mix up these two so that that machine is having a other prerogative to detect 2 sequences instead of a single sequence? Is that possible? Can we try? Of course, overlapping only. I'm talking about overlapping. Single bit overlapping, we can take. Can we try this?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Yes, we will
Yes,
try
ma'am.
it. Right, because you have already mastered that. Just, even if it's wrong, start that. Use Mealy machine. Use Mealy. Right. So I will also start. You can also parallelly start. You need not wait for me right now because you already know how to. If it is a single one, you know how to detect, isn't it? But 2 at a stretch, I have to plan it. Okay, just start. Okay. So each one is having what? 4 bits. So I should take 4 states, isn't it? According to this. Okay. Now hold on. I am using another notation. I will use state S0, S1, ABCD. I am getting both. 3. Okay. 4 bits, 4 states. Right. Little difference will be there. Just observe if you want. Like I will take the first sequence movement. Right. Parallel, I will have a check on the second sequence also. Till this level, 0 and 0. So this one is in state 0. This one is in state 0, 0. Okay, levels of that. Okay, right? Now 0, 0 is there, 0, 0 here as well as 0, 0 here. So I observe till this level there is a common factor going on, isn't it? Right. So now get back to this. So this one is 0, right? So S3 is in 0, 0 level. I'm talking about the first sequence, right? So the last bit is 1 for this particular one, and the last bit is now here I have to take a decision also. 1 means where it should go from the third state. Carefully observe. See, this is 0, 0, 0. Then the last bit has to be considered like our normal design, whereas our problem here is 2 bits have to be taken at a time. 2-bit sequences have to take at a time. So that means at S3, I have 2 decisions to be taken. If 1 is coming and 0 is coming, what I'm supposed to do, isn't it? Yes or no? For the sequence. If 1 is coming here, my first sequence is detected. Right. If 0 is coming, I have to take an alternative decision, isn't it? Yes or no? So now, if at all 1 is coming, since the sequence will be detected, along with that I have another sequence also to be carried out. Okay, so this particular one is 001 level. So if at all I will get 1 here, I will try to go to a new state. This is the difference. Why? Because I have 2 sequences to be detected at a time. That's why a decision making is taken here, so that if 1 comes where my sequence is getting completed, I have to go to a new state. Right. So this is the first what? Alternative proposal I am giving, because it is 2 sequences to be detected. I'll discuss. Definitely you will get doubts. So wait. First understand, try to understand, then you get the doubts. Okay. So what happened is, now in order to complete my detection of the first sequence, I tried to increase the state. Right? But in the earlier version, I never did that. What did I do? I have just took a reset, right? Otherwise, try to, since it's overlapping, I will try to check out where I can go and reset. But here my task is I have another job also to be completed. Hence, what did I do? I have increased the state. Right now, why I have to increase the state? Even if I did a wrong thing in the state reduction, that state can be vanished. Please try to understand. So I have an alternative validation option, so that that particular state is an equivalent state. I can do it later. Okay, so hold on. Please try to understand. In the first one, parallel, parallel you can check, or you can check out the first sequence has completely done. Right. Let us finish off the other also. Right. Now here, if at all 0 comes, you are proceeding. What about 1 comes? It's not a part of the sequence. It's already there. This discussion not required also. So S1. So S1 is in 0 state. If 0 comes, it is further going. If 1 comes, what happens? There's no option. It can reset. Right. So now S1 is finished. Now S2. So you have an option of 0 going there, and if at all 1 comes, what happens? There's a mismatch. You can solve. Is it correct? Huh? Is it
Yes,
correct? Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am.
You already completely forgot. I am detecting 2 sequences.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that S4 should be.
Yes. Somebody is now trying to understand here. Just see 0, 0. I am having 2 headaches here. 0, 0 afterwards. 0 comes, I am going further. If 1 comes also, it is my required form. It is my required form. Just think. This is in 0, 0 state, whereas S4 is in 0, 0. What? 0, 0 what state?
001.
What is that state?
That is 0001.
Yeah, that's what. This is in 0001 state. After S2, my decision I am trying to take. If at all 1 comes, where I should go? I am trying to keep back. It is not possible. I have to have one more state to be detected. Just check out. This S4 state is an extra state which is having already 3-bit synchronous 0001. Isn't it? 0001 is there.
can't we define one more state S5?
S5.
So that
Don't
we
you think
we
it is an
can
increment of the burden?
because if we'll go to S3, then it will
Just a second. I have an alternative. If at all I have 1, I'm going there. See, 0, 0, 1 state, I have a equivalent. Just check. Because the second sequence is 0, 0, 1. The first sequence is this. So I have somewhere trick happening after S2 state. S2 is actually the game changer. S2 is the game changer. Just see. After S2 here. So S2 will be the maximum or crucial role it will take. Please try to check. S2 after S2. S2 is in which state? 0, 0 state. No? It is 0, 0, 1 it can go. Otherwise it can go to 0, 0, 0. I have two options. Isn't it? After this. It is 0 or it is 1. Both are equally fetching for us. Both are equally fetching for us. There itself you can take a decision that I need an extra state. Please try to understand. This is how we have to think logically. There are no rules for this. You only have to apply the theory behind it, like what you know. S2 is the one which is trying to actually deviate because my two sequences are either after 2, 0, 0, it is either going to 0 or it is going to 1. Both are equivalent. So after S2, blindly take two states together so that 0 you push there and 1 you push it here. That's all. Simple. Logic is very simple. And then don't keep the left out 1. So complete the sequence. So 0, 0, 0, 1, finished it off. So 1 is there here. Then S4 decision. Now S2 decision 0 and 1 already done. Then S3, 1 is there. If it of 0 comes, where is S3 actually? It is in 0, 0 state. No? So if at all 1 comes, it is going. If at all another 0 comes, I can have a match. So it can go to which state? It can go to S2 state. Isn't it? Is it possible? Or it can, sorry, it is matching now. Okay, according to the Miller theory, it is matching. So I can retain here. Oh, sorry. 0, 0. See, that extra 0. This is in 0, 0 state. If at all another 0 comes, extra 0 comes, last 3. It is matching with this, it can retain. So S3 decision is already done. So S4 is in which state now? So S4 is already detected one sequence, right? So if 0 comes, what will happen? And 1 comes, what will happen? Now take the S4 decision. Almost everything is over. If 0 comes, I require the sequence to be detected. Isn't it? See, 0, 0, 1. If 0 comes, the sequence is detected. Yes or no? What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
So if
Yes,
sequence is
ma'am. Yes,
detected,
ma'am.
yeah, you can check out. It is a single state. If 1 comes, I don't want a sequence.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I guess for S4, if 0 comes, it should come on S4 only.
Why?
Ma'am, because 0, 0 we want to detect now. Let's say we have to detect 0, 0, 1, 0. Then it should be 0, 0. Then 1 comes, then 0 comes. So S4 will remain on S4 only.
No, cannot be. Cannot be. See, if at all, you just see where the S4 stands now. Because S4 and S3 both are standing in 3 digits actually. This is in 001 level. This is in 000 level. Now you think. Apply the logic. Why? Because from S2, 2 have splitted. S3 and S4 are standing in 3-bit sequence only. One is at 000, another one is 001. Now look at.
So ma'am, if 001, after if 0 comes, then it will
See,
remain on
that's what
S4
comes.
only,
See,
no?
wait a minute, wait a minute. If 001 comes, afterwards if 0 comes, I have what option? I have to compare, na? 010. So it has no match. Mismatch is there. Next 2 bits, mismatch is there. So then you take the 0 option, last bit, 1 bit, S1 is already standing with a single bit. So there you go. I have done that one. See, it's a decision making. S2 became crucial because it is having the split to 2 sequences. Afterwards, S3 and S4, treat them parallelly and apply the previous logic, then you will understand.
Ma'am, explain that one. S4 is 001.
Yeah,
If 0 comes, if 0 comes,
001, wait a minute. If this is 001, S4. Okay, so if 0 comes, so how it looks? This is the extra zero, right? So I will compare 3 bit with 3 bit. Not possible. Matching is there? No. Then I will compare 2 bit. Just like the previous one, 2 bit, 1 0. Any previous states are standing at 1 0? No. Then I will go for 1 bit. Any previous states are standing at 0? Yes. S1 is standing, I have calculated that. And my sequence is also detected. Nothing new there. That's what I was, from the starting of the class I was asking, did you yesterday understand? Just like fool, I didn't give you that much. Use single bit overlap, 2 bit overlap, just like, I'm not a fool there. So that while doing that, you have the logic to understand the criteria of terminations. There is nothing new here. The same logic what I have done last classes only I have applied here. Only issue is there are 2 sequences getting detected at the same time from half of the level. Right. Now just think. S2 is there and I only have to detect only this sequence. So done, no? You will not go to S4. You will finish off with S3 itself. Isn't it? Just think. I don't have another statement of this. This is not there to be detected. How you will do? How the detection will be? I'm asking you a question. When you ask me, I try to explain. Why nobody is answering now? Good. So do for yourself. No, that's what I can do. What else I can discuss? See, questions. God forbid what happened with you guys. I don't know. You people are staying there. I cannot see your reactions at all. And now if I'm trying to tell, like, no answers from your side. I mean, at least the questions you should ask, no? Why I'm doing that. If you are not doing that, I think as presume that you have already completed. So 3 bits also you can do. Is this explanation over? I mean, okay or not?
no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
No, see, here
Ma'am,
you
S3
don't show
are
interest,
3.
I cannot get. Yes, please. Directed, ask.
S3 and S4 are 3 weights. S3 and S4 are 3 weights. That explain, please.
What you're asking, I didn't understand. What is the 3 weights? What is the 3 weights?
Stands for 3 weights. Because S1 is not for no weight, S1 for 1 weight, S2 for 2 weight, and so S3 for 3 weight. S4 should stand for 4 weights, na?
No, that is what I was telling. Na? That is what I was telling you. Please try to understand. S4 should not stand for 4 weight. In fact, I should be very clear. Here, the decision of S2 is taken at a time because 2 sequences are getting detected. S4, S3, and S4 are standing at the same weightages. Please try to understand. That is where the trick is. This is where the trick is. This is where the trick is. Please try to understand because 2 sequences have to be detected for me. If I will use the same procedure means that single sequence detector. We are going for complicated designs. So what you want to do? Just a second. So this one will be separated and this will be separated. How? My machine will have to detect same sequences. Just see. Anywhere you start. 0, 0, 0, 1. Yes, detected. 0, 0, 1, 0. Yes, detected. Anywhere you start. 0, 1, 0, 0. Not detected. Output is 0. So see, anywhere you start
Okay,
like this.
I got like if overlapping happens also, there will be like detection.
Yes, that is what. This is already overlapping, ma'am. I'm talking about overlapping, but my complication is I have to detect 2 different sequences. Please try to understand. Two sequences. 0, 0, 1. I
Yes,
should
yes,
0,
ma'am,
0, 1
clear,
also.
clear.
Yeah, that's where. See, I can take you till where you have to think. But afterwards, the thinking procedure, I will put my thinking procedure, and you people have to analyze it and apply there wherever you feel like. See, S2 till S2, it is very clear. From S2, I am just checking out both the sequences. Both the sequences after this, they are going to a different notation. So that where the split is coming. So that itself is the gripping point, that you have to split to two different states. Okay. Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Think hard again. This is what it is. S4 can't be in a 4 states. S3 and S4 at a time decision are taken. Okay. At a time decisions are being taken. Now you see, the whole is a Mealy machine. It's a 4-bit detection sequence, but I am using how many states? 5 states. Yes or not? What happened? Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now this is a violation. Because as per the previous one, see, while starting everything will be very simple. As we proceed, so we should think hard. Right. So now because our complexity has increased for 2 sequences. Right. That's why the decisions are a bit complicated, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So now again and again try to analyze. Again and again try to analyze this one. Because the same thing now we will do with the Moore also. Moore design also we should do. But if at all you don't understand this, I cannot proceed. Why? Because see, every time why the S4 level and the S3 level are treated parallelly is the complication here. Other than that, nothing. Why they have to be treated at the same time? Because S2 is the trigger point to the split of the two different sequences. That's why S2 is treated as the main source. Then afterwards, S3 and S4 are treated parallelly. Then finish the detection. So, okay, tell me any other alternative, right? So let's think. I will not read them same. Consider I will not read them.
Ma'am.
Same. Yeah. Go ahead.
Ma'am, I have a question. While drawing the state table, so how to draw a state table for two sequence in the same state table or different for both?
Same only you have to draw. State table is same. Okay. I'll keep the design. Right. Let us see. State table is what? Present state and next state. That's all. Anything else is there inside that? This one we don't know what it is. Or after drawing the state diagram, we are least bothered about that. What is there? Present state is S0. S0, S1. Isn't it? 1 comes. If 1 comes, it is in S0. 0 comes, it is going. Right. Then S1. If 1 comes, where it is going? It is going to S0. S2. 0 coming is S3. This is S4. S3. 0 is with S3 only. This is with S4. S4. It is 0 going to S1 and 1 going to S1. Parallelly, you put the outputs also. Does it have any link? Anything else is there? State table is just the tabular representation of the graph.
By doing this, yes, ma'am. By doing this, we are able to detect the But is there any way possible that out of the two sequence, which one is our machine is detecting which sequence? Means we can't get that information.
Our machine is detecting two sequences. Our machine is detecting two sequences. That is why now outputs are 1 when the sequence are detected. You give any X, you give a big chain of digits. right? Among that digits, this particular machine, right, can detect 0001 as well as 0001. Sorry, 0010. Right? It will detect both sequences. Why? Which particular sequence means what? I didn't understand. Both sequences are getting detected. What is your question? What is the purpose of your question? I didn't understand. Can you elaborate?
Ma'am, I am trying to ask that is there any way possible that out of this two sequence, our machine is detecting which sequence means?
Do you understand what did you ask the question? Out of these two sequences, machine is deciding what? This machine has been drawn for detecting both the sequences. Out of these two, which one is detected? What is the question? Hey, who asked this question? Seriously, I wanted to know. You are understanding or you are trying to understand? Or you don't want to understand? Who is asking this?
Ma'am, I am Swaroop.
Swaroop, what happened? Out of these two sequences, our machine is detecting what sequence? State graph is drawn for what? State graph is
Okay,
drawn
ma'am.
for what?
Okay.
Yeah, it is detected in both the sequences. That's all. You test. Okay, you test. Give the sequence to the state graph. You give the sequence. Check whether it is applying or not. Check whether it is detecting or not. X. So first input 0. Right, it is going to. Then first another one input. One input means what? It is getting back. 0 input, it is here. Then 0. Then 1. See, 0, 0, 1. You just check the outputs at first. The Miller overlap. Then apply all this and whether it is getting detected or not, find out. According to this, both there has to be detected. Single bit overlap. Please try to work out. Both the sequences it has to detect. That's what the rule is. Isn't it?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you do one more question? Like, I understood this one correctly. Like, I got, but one more question.
Just a second. Just a second. I'll finish off the more also of this. Then afterwards we will go for one more questions. Okay.
Yes.
We have one more. This is Melia only. We have this design also for the same. For the same. Okay. Right. So now, for the more, what we have to do? What is the more is all about? See, one day a little complication, very hard to understand, or very difficult for you to absorb the new things. What I guess is Moore design. So, what is the Moore design? The outputs are already there, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we will do now? If the outputs are there, so how many states first? S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, isn't it?
5 states.
5 states, no? According to us. Okay, so here also the same thing. S0, S1, S2. This is a crucial one, isn't it? S0, S1, S2, S3, S4. So 5 states are there, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. So is it possible to finish off with the 5 states that too with the overlapping and that too 2 sequences?
No, ma'am.
No. That is what again S2 is having that time we already have observed after 2 sequences we have a split there. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We have 3 states like three distinct states. 2 are there like that. So don't you think here also we will have? Because you see, when we are observing the sequences here, right? When we are observing the sequence at this point, S0, S1, S2. at this location. After 2 bits, split is there already. So think about it. 0, what we have to do? 1, what we have to do? That is again a point, isn't it? Same thing what we have done earlier. 0, we can proceed further. 1, we are into another sequence detection, isn't it? Don't you think you require? This is S3, I'll take S4. Split according to this. Yes or not? Then afterwards what will happen? According to the mode, combination. You will get 1, you will destined to use, already S4 I have used, 0001, detection over. 001, another 0, you should get another sequence. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. So you will have another destined in this path, take S6 with output 1, isn't it? 001. This is how it is. How you can say it is only 5 states required. This is 2 sequences at a time we are targeting. Please observe. Please observe. Don't you think this requirement is there? Is this clear? More is supposed to be better, simple. Isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So let's target it this way. I targeted this way because these are common factors. Right. Till this level is fine.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Very hard to
Ma'am.
believe. Yes,
Ma'am.
go ahead.
ma'am, when S4 is 0, means ma'am, when S4 is 0, we should go to S5 while detecting the second sequence.
S4 is 0, I should go to S5. What? I can take a fresh 1 or 2 sequences. Why I want to go and combine with that? Afterwards, anyway, if I get extra state, in the state reduction, it will be out.
Okay,
Why
ma'am.
I need to go? Yeah, why I need to go to S5? Right? Don't go. Don't make it complicated. Right? Already it is a complicated version. Please don't make it complicated. After S4, you will go to here. No, you wanted to go here. Right? With a 0. Yes? With a 0. Let's see if at all we can reduce that in the next level. But in the skeleton form, this is fine, I guess. You are telling that S5 and S6 can be equivalent. Whoever has prompted that. Whoever has prompted. Who is that?
Swaroop.
Swaroop. So you are telling that S5 and S6 are equivalent because their outputs are standing at 1, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
That might be reduced in the state table also, no? If at all you want. If at all you want, that might be reduced in the state table also, right? So don't worry about it. Okay, first understand the skeleton. Right, I have 2 sequences like this. So you wanted to keep a sequence coming out to be here, isn't it? With 0, the dashed line. Okay, so no problem, you can try that way also. But anything goes wrong, again you have to rework. Okay, so I'll start like this only. Afterwards, I will explain why it will not work. It will not work like this. You will have wrong sequences also getting detected. But anyway, so till this level is fine. Okay, now S0 receives 1. What will happen? Termination.
Ma'am, now overlap.
Huh?
Now we have to consider overlapping, na?
Yeah, you have to consider. So 1. Is it fine? S0 termination.
Yes, ma'am.
S1.
Correct.
Okay. So what about
For
S1?
S1 will come to S0.
Okay, agreed. Okay. 2 bit, right. S0, S1. See, the remaining portions we can have a discussion. Like, what is this wrong with this? So 0 means it is going forward, S1, and 1 means it is going back. S1 is done. So
S2 is done. S4.
S2 is already done. Why? Because there is a split already. So what about S3?
S4 will come to
No,
S4
S3
will
is there. S3 is there. Wait. Whoever is talking, S3 is there. Please wait.
S3 will come to itself only.
So
Itself
it will
only.
stay there. Okay. S3, it will stay there only. I am not writing the boxes levels because by this time we should be acquainted. So S3 is in which state? That box I am not going to write anymore. Why? Because it's already understood. S3, it will stay there. Okay. Then S4, sorry, S5, sorry, S5.
S5 for S5 S5 is detecting 0001, so it will come to if
No. Wait. Please. See, if you are okay, then you tell. Write that statement because here whatever we utter, it will change the thinking scenario. S5 has two ways. If 0 is there and 1 is there. Okay. So now think about that. S5 is in which level actually?
ma'am, S5 is in last level, na? It will not
Yes,
go to
0001 level, isn't it?
so it
Now,
will
that you tell. Okay. So this is already in 0001 level. So afterwards
now
it receives 0 or receives 1. So what we will have to do with that?
Ma'am, what kind of overlapping 2-bit or 1-bit?
1 bit overlap we take.
Ma'am, didn't hear you.
Huh?
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
One comes, what I will do? 1 comes. After this, for S5, 1 means where it will go. That will be said first. It will go to reset.
no ma'am, because there is if
None
0
of the
comes,
states are standing in 1. Just check now. None of the states are standing in 1. What?
no ma'am, I'm talking about 10. If 10 comes, then it will go to detection of 0010 means
I didn't tell 10. Please. Here, after this for S5, if 1 comes, you tell me that. Don't add your zeros for that.
S not direct S not.
That is what I was telling.
Reset.
Here, you have 2 options, either 1 or 0 coming. If 1 coming, that is what first decide there. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Mm.
Yes. So till that level, please go step by step. Don't make others confused. Right? So now next option, S5. S5 is now standing with 0001. So 1 comes, you made a decision that you have sent there. 0 comes what actually?
I think S6.
Why?
0010.
Ma'am, S4.
Why?
S4.
0010.
Ma'am.
Whoever is getting S4 now, keep your brains open. 0010 is the required sequence. I need an output 1. Whoever told that other one is very good. And 001. Afterwards, you get a 1, you kept it there. If you get a 0, you are with the sequence getting detected. So yours have to terminate with S6. Output you require 1. Decision making of S5 became crucial. Why? Because see, 0001 is the standing rule. Right? Now, extra bit 1 comes and 0 comes. If this comes, this sequence is of no use. If this comes, this sequence is of use. Please try to understand. This sequence is of use and I require a state where 1 will be there. Okay, so I have 2 options again. Okay, I will not disclose that. So best option is move to S6. Move to S6. Isn't it? No. Don't want to move?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Every fast rules like we cannot make hard and fast rules, but still we can think about it. We have to do more examples on this. Right.
one bit overlap, we can only compare last 2 bits, right?
Yeah, that's what, na.
So
See,
why?
another thing also, that rules of the last bit overlapping, na, for this 2-bit detections, we have to not take that level. Why? Because see, these are 2 sequences getting detected. So I will not say 1 bit overlap, 2 bit overlap. It is overlap, that's all. 2 sequences getting detected with the overlap. It's not 1 bit or 2 bit, to be a frank. Okay, 2 sequences ultimately with the overlap also it can detect. Right? By default, 1 bit they are taking. Right, now S6 is like often. Finish off with S6 and S4. Afterwards, we can have a lot of time.
S4 will come to S0.
Wait. S4 is N11 more. First, decide that. S4 is in which level? I am not writing the boxes. S4 is in which level?
001.
Afterwards, if 0 comes, you went there. No?
If 1 comes,
1 comes.
0 S0.
1 comes, it is going to S0. Why? Because I don't want that sequence.
1
So,
neither.
okay. S4 is done. Now, what about S6? S6 has 2 options. 0 comes and 1 comes. S6. That's very crucial. Think hard. S6 actually is in which level you think?
If 0 comes, it will remain on S6 only.
Okay.
If 1 comes,
Reset.
Ma'am, if 0 comes, it should go to S2.
Wait. Somebody is talking. 2 people are talking. That I can.
okay, ma'am. If 0 comes, it will remain on S6 only.
Okay.
If
Just hold on. It remains on 0, on S6 only. That only I will 0 comes. Hold on. I think wrong sequence is also getting detected. Anywhere you take 0, 0, 1, 0, correct. 0, 1, 0, 0. That is also getting detected. 0, 1, 1, 0. I don't want. 0, 1, 0, 0.
ma'am, 0. No, ma'am. I guess.
Yeah, just check. If at all you are telling like this, no. See, I will start anywhere. Like this is since it's overlapping and in any sequences I can start 0, 1, 0, 0. It is getting detected, which I don't want. 0, 1, 0, 0. I don't want this sequence. I have another sequence to be detected, not this. Wrong sequence is getting detected. Please check. This termination is wrong. This is wrong.
S2.
Yes, 2 is the best option.
Yes, ma'am.
Check. Now check. You should be thinking like not the rules what I have framed for single sequences. These are 2 sequences at a time. So you have to be very careful where to terminate. And I cannot give you any rules here because you have to go to previous or you have to go to prior that we don't know here. Afterwards, depends upon the what sequence to be detected. That's why. No rules here. Only logic. Which side to go? Right. If 1 comes, there.
S0.
If 1. S not?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
S0.
yes. Now check. Your Mealy circuit is ready. Your Moore is also ready. Now compare those two. Right? How many states there and how many states here? There you got S0, S1, S2, S3, S4. And here you got S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6 also. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Here 7 states and there it is what?
5.
5 states. Yeah. But 2 sequences are getting detected. 2 sequences, right? So, as of now, for today, please try to understand. Here, no rules are there. It is only overlapping, not 1 bit overlapping. Also, by default, it is 1 bit overlapping. So, Mealy is there, Moore is there. Keep these 2 circuits, right? Keep these 2 sequences. Then, first try to understand why not I can go there, why can't I go here, why can't I shoot the termination. First, try to understand that. That question, if you can answer yourself, right, then We will try to detect these two. This is next example. We will detect these two. See, this is 3-bit, this is 4-bit, but still I will detect. We have to detect. Okay, so prior to this, first understand this one. Your two sequences. Is that fine? First understand the previous two. It's hard to understand, but still, we have to understand. No other choice. Yes or no?
Yes,
No?
ma'am.
Yeah. So don't do anything new. Please don't do anything new. First of all, try all the logic. See, I'm really giving clues for you out of experience. Never rush into conclusions, right? And don't compare with others like others are telling fast answers. No, you yourself in a turtle walk only you start, because the state machines are really brainstorming things. Decisions have to be made. Okay, so that's why for the answered one only, which I have explained in the class, only for that two sequences try to work. The two diagrams are already provided. 100 times you do the same problem. Then you can think, do the wrong versions also of that. Why I cannot do this? Why I cannot do this? Then convince yourself. Then afterwards, if you are convinced, then attempt this. Attempt this. Okay, why? Because see, if rules are there, it is, see, it's like programming, because slowly we will enter into programming. Finite state machine programs are there now. We will do this type of machines in the FPGAs actually. Okay, so this is actually a small startup. Not, it's a big ocean is there afterwards. Okay, so first finish off this two circuits, Mealy and Murray. Why I have to take this way? Why not S5 itself I can do? Right, somebody is asking. So my S6 is not there, only S5 is there. Then check what is happening. Am I getting into a wrong detections or not? Right, definitely you will be into wrong detections. So wise decision whether I have to increase the number of states or not increase the number of states. Okay, even if you would put in a higher end of increment of states, still reduction is possible when you make the state table. No problem. Right, so always aim for the increment of states. Don't watch, no issues at all. At max, what will happen? Two states will be equivalent. That's all. But if you decrease the number of states in the diagram itself, then there will be a problem. Right. So two sequences at a time. If you can hit this one, I mean very easily. Three sequences also at a time you can detect. 3, 4, 5, anything. You can go on to an n number. Okay, so first of all, these two try to rework more. Don't mug up the circuit, rework. Right? If you are convinced, then try to detect this. Attempt. Otherwise, I will only tell tomorrow. No issues. Okay? Right? What happened, class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Please don't look into any other notes or anything. Only whatever explanation I have given, just think that way only and then do. If you take other sources of help, you will get only confused. Right? It's like confusion only. So don't do that. Okay? Right. So let's meet tomorrow. Done? And by the way, you have a notice, right? Your classes will be till what?
March 12th.
March.
There is something else in that notice. What is that? March
15 to 19 types grading.
is fine. What is that?
Extra class 15 to 19.
15 to 19 only. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
19th is the last date. Ultimately. Correct? So that's what our target is. So till 19, we can complete the ASM charts of this. Like even if you go in turtle walk also doesn't matter. We can complete this. Then afterwards we can do the ASM charts. And there I require voting whether I will go for Verilog or I have to do the microprocessors. It's up to your decision. So Verilog designs you want coding. Otherwise, microprocessor teaching, any one level. Right. So after these machines, by the way, after this detection of two sequences, again tomorrow also I'll work out another 2-3 problems. Then afterwards I'll go for the ASM flow charts for this. We will call it as flow charts. That design I will tell you. Then I think by next week, mid of the next week, we can complete the real course actually, what is required. Then afterwards, optionals are there for us. Okay. Is that fine?
Ma'am, logic.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? What is
Logic.
that? Logic what?
Is it means also a chapter, logic family?
Logic family is also a chapter, but it's supposed to be in analog actually, not in digital. Because logic families comes with the analog devices. Right. So analog devices are there, no? With diodes, transistors. We will try to make logic families. Like, see, for example, if you want an AND gate. Okay. I'll just example. AND gate means what? You will have two options, right? You can develop an AND gate using diodes. You can develop an AND gate. AND gate means what? So if two inputs are given, one and one, output should be 1. That means two switched on. So the output has to be in the on state. That's what the logic behind the AND. So you can develop such type of circuit using diodes, using transistors, using CMOS or MOS, right? So basically this is an analog device, circuit design. So if you want that also I can teach, not an issue. Logic families. Logic families are supposed to be treated as an application in analog circuits, analog electronics, which you have already completed, isn't it? What halfway question you told when I answered it, then no more discussions further. Right? Who asked that? Swaroop, you.
Yes, ma'am.
So logic family is also part of the analog circuits, not analog electronics, not my cup of tea. But still, if you want, I can teach that, not an issue. You people want. Because see, after 19th, I don't know what exactly option is. You are supposed to return back or it's a summer vacation for you.
No, ma'am. Once when you got angry on us, you gave us chapters like this steady state machines and
Yes.
logic. So
Logic families, yes. Logic families are very too good. That's my favorite, another favorite. Sure. If you want, see, we have ample of time right now. Okay. Logic families, I can teach part of the course or not a part of the course also, doesn't matter. I will teach logic families. It's very good, interesting. Gate has this option. How many of you are really interested in gate, by the way? Honest answer. This is like seriously your career options. Anybody interested in gate? Yes, Ayushman is there, right? Only 1, 2, 3. Yes, good. So then in that case, for you, microprocessor is the best way. Microprocessor and logic families. I'll tell you, honestly, I'll tell you as a friend. Okay, if at all you are doing gate, okay, you check your, today, do this one, and afterwards, if you have time, just check your previous gate question papers. Definitely digital 4 or 5 questions will be there. Along with that, you will have logic family question and microprocessor question. That too, microprocessor 8085 will be there, which is pretty old. It's a 8-bit processor. Why 8-bit processor is tested for you, you know? Why? Because 16-bit, 32-bit, and now your Intel, whatever, 64-bit, all are based on this one. And if at all this is completely understood, right? And the resistor language of this is understood, at max what is happening? Number of registers are increasing. Language remains the same. Right? So that is definitely 2 questions will come. Definitely. Recently also 2 questions came. Right? 85 processor. And another one question are, if at all like you are lucky enough, 2 questions will be in logic families. That too, DTL they will give or TTL they will give. Diode transistor logic or transistor logic. These 2 families are there. That is also very important. Right. So in gate point of view, this will hit. Right. Now, your career aspect of the fancy world, that will help you this design. Code. Now you have three options, or in fact two options. You want to go for the Verilog design, just the coding versions of this coding language, or you want this one, processor and this. This is for gate. This one is not for gate. This is not for gate at all. Right? Whereas these two are for gate options. Right? So now today's job, good what? Move. Swallow. I should thank you. Why? Because see, if at all you don't start this, I cannot give you this input. Gate level designs and gate level answering the subjects are something different, because gate preparation is completely subject oriented and you need not master the subject. You only have to check out which the gate questions are.
Ma'am, can you tell something about Verilog design code?
See, Verilog design is just like your C programming. Okay, just like your C programming, how you are explaining a digital circuit and getting the output. It's all about commands. How you get the command syntax and how you write the code. It's a coding.
Ma'am, I had a doubt that when we design a circuit, there will be an error, na, like common. But when we are designing in Verilog design code, so what about that? Like errors will not be there, na, because it totally.
Errors will not be there. What errors there also will be there? Why? Because see, syntax.
No.
If you don't.
No, not syntax error, not that errors. Like
Real errors. Real errors won't be there. Very long. At max output don't come means we have to go back and recheck the code. That's all. We expect a code. See, in a hardware when you design, you know what output is coming. We have an idea what output is supposed to come. In Verilog also, we should understand what output should come. If the output file is not the same as what we expect, that means there is some problem with the design only, no coding.
So ma'am, it's like we virtually do the design, and if it's correct, then we will apply it practically like that.
Yes. Actually, we do the other way around. First, practically we do, because practical is very easy for us rather than this coding thing. Practically, it's very easy. We have to only assort. No? We can have a breadboard. We have all the gates, ICs are available. We have to only do, laborious connections. That's all. It's only laborious connections, not much more. So Verilog is a coding language. So if you want, I can do one thing. There are students already working now with Verilog in the campus. So if you want 1-2 sessions, I can arrange for them and then they can.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That will be better, na? So that one in the off time also, not even the regular class hours. Whoever are interested in coding, you can join that class. They will teach you from basics.
Okay, ma'am.
Classes in that way, both are satisfied. Yeah, that will be better, I guess. So there are people who are doing Verilog. There are people who are doing in the VHDL also. This coding classes, if you want, I can arrange. Not an issue. Very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. See, Cyborg students are there. Okay. Cyborg students are there, like third years are there. They also can do virtually classes. Otherwise, on campus also, my students are doing on FPGA boards and all. So those also can take, because for them they are in FPGA levels. So this is very simple for them. So they can at least give you the inputs how to start the code. Right. So in the off sessions, I can arrange if you want. So think about it, then decide and keep me. If you are interested, I can give you that also. Yeah, that's a good idea then. In the weekends or something, we will have some design. Mute it. Who's that? Komalika? Right. Done. Okay. So in the normal classes, I'll take the microprocessor and digital logic. Yes, this I can do. Right. So anyway, after this
finished, like ma'am, syllabus is finished.
See, syllabus I will finish, not is finished. I will finish. So afterwards we will take up this one, because we have already Saresh Patel sir already told till 19th we can take. Okay. So we have a lot of options. Right? Anyway, I'm not going to take any tests. Only thing is I will give you so many assignments. assignments, not assignments, so many what? Problems to solve for yourself. Okay, so if you are interested, I can discuss on that. That I will definitely give 150 questions on the way to prepare. So sorry about that because I have PG classes also to finish off. So those questions I will give. You can practice. No need to submit for me, right? Then afterwards, when you come back onto the campus, we will take my I will take my TA and everything in my own way, right? So not on online mode. Okay, let's see about it. So I will complete this, but next example will be this one. I will attempt 101 and 1010. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so I'll meet tomorrow. Already classes. I think your lunch hour started. Okay, thank you.